Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Dangshan ki pulit ki lalai ban khanda thai demat haki benta jongka khandai lat lachmea bad haki benta jong IGP bad kilara khan rewat ki breu badan kti hakni ka kam kan thop ki ba kong kumju ru ki nong penyakaran lani ki pim habakaran halor ka news tanan of police ka East Castles ba Vivex e mula ong ba ka jing khandra nang ni shakhmat ru kan ngai beteng bad ula Maham lupa ru ye ki try hotel bad ki try guest house ba kim dai ban Ailad bad le ki kam Awria haki hotel jongki namar ba ki pulit ki ladan lupa ka jing tem ki hotel lani ki guest house ayu ki baju Ailad bad le ya kani ka kam ula Maham ki diwan sange no namar ba ha ka wi ka sngi kan don ka jing khandra ka ba he bad kiru kin ngat ha ka jing e ha ka bai dai ba ki tu ki khan reungot ki bala syara ha ki pulit ba Vivek ula ong baka an ru kamsha ban kem ya ki kham tam ha ka por miet kom ta la pelat no ki hadin ba kila sew ya ka kuna syaka ying bisar bat lada yo bat biang bat lada ki dei jo ka kuna ru kan kham he bat kan kta ya ka pela jong kiru shu la ong ba ki pulit kila selok lang bat ka tenat social welfare ba ka nerap pen ya selok nak benta gitu ki bakwa ban kela bat kumju ru bat ka tenat ka koi ka kya ba kan ya selok bat gitu ki badan ya ka jingpang HIV ha ka jinglap ki pulit kila ong ba ka we ni ki daw ba ki kin thai ki tur syaka kam demet ka dei namar ba ka ban pelat ka jingdok ka kamai ka ji ru kim don nalor ki babun ki we pat ki daw.
See this coordinated raid which was conducted will be sustained. The problem which we are having of sex workers is just not a police one; it is a social problem. It concerns livelihood issues. We need to have a concerted effort with other departments, social welfare, health, because there is concern on the growth of HIV. There is also concern on the residential areas and also religious areas where prostitution is being carried out. So these coordinated raids will carry on, but it will extend to other areas also. At this juncture, I would like to urge hotels, guest houses not to entertain such activity. Otherwise, the law will take its own course. We are vigilant about this, and we are vigilant also. We are in the know of which guest houses and hotels are clean and which are not, and thereafter we will clamp down very hard. So we will also take up with social welfare, for which they are also have agreed to rehabilitate some of the sex workers who are willing on skill-based vocations, and we will also involve health. We'll take up with health also to actually see that the spread of HIV does not take place.
What is now arrested, or what is there?
What is the next step of action against the detained 16 persons?
See, they are for soliciting in public, and also that they for causing nuisance. So they will be compounded by court. That means fine is there, and if they commit the act again, then there'll be subsequent compounding. That means paying to court. So that will hit their pockets and all that. We have seized their vehicles, so it has made things more difficult, and we will continue to do so.
Will they are released?
Yes, as per the Supreme Court guidelines and all that, we cannot arrest them. We cannot arrest them, especially at night. And then what about the guidelines? We cannot arrest them at night. We cannot arrest them. We have to give them bail. Yes.
So this racket, did you find any angle of trafficking? Because many girls as young as 17, 18 get into the profession.
See, it starts from activities like this, where it starts from activities like this, where they start in a small group. You have a pimp. Now, your market out here, maybe in Shillong, But if your market gets exhausted, then you will try to find markets elsewhere. So that's where the trafficking network, you have to have a network, you have to have a pimp who's actually going to arrange in those other bigger cities. And we've had those cases before. It's not, we haven't not had. So it starts with small little networks like this, which grew into bigger networks. Girls from here could be lured. Once a network is formed, they will have contacts. Then girls get lured because of easy money. But they don't know once they're inside it, it's not easy to come out of it. And also they put themselves in harm's way.
Laju yo ano ka case to pa ki khina kim tre de ki la shusha bo ban join ban punya soil give to the kan.
Pi dan kata ka case ba ang ba penbor hi bakim kwa ban let hi Henry naki circumstances baki ya kendo ni kijing e kendo kimban se pada kaban ka jingdok e kimban se pada ki hawiat kan tuganti te kimdan ru kata kala nanti ban na kimdan dan hi te kibre ban wan harap ya kia dan de ki poi ha tu ka pot kan te ngidi pan pun sko ba Henry ki dan ki lat ki dan ki kilanti ki ban I come ban I jump ban I skill ni ki bakram kin like ni things new that has to be impressed upon them.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.